for this far, so I can barely hear you. Can barely hear you, Derrick. We can barely hear you.
Eh? Yeah, break up, Derrick. Are we asking Mitchie?
No, he must say something to me, but I can't really hear what I say.
Oh, I'm out to have dinner. Like
Okay, okay.
connection in and out.
Me I tell her I say Candy, go man sit down before we are not prepared for you.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, that him I said to you.
Can they have the food, what?
No, him did I watch your food prepare live right in front of him.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Derrick, I'm busy from day, man. I they have deadlines to meet, so I have to do some work on the computer when I come home. And my day, they just, me not really get no chance. I get for commands on the internet. Mm. So all the way you send me, I get full up on them neither. That's nice though, Derrick. You enjoy yourself. I just warm up something I know to eat too.
Like you love your food too, uncle. Like you nice.
I see my shrimp.
I'm telling you over there, so the girl I got go on with herself, Derrick.
Candy,
Yeah. But no, that is a must from me there, so.
can you record it to me please? Can you record it to me please?
Hold on. Hold it. Dolce and Gabanna.
Uncle, you're expensive. You're expensive, uncle.
Them can't hold you next month, you know, Derrick.
You're
Red carpet
expensive,
have
my
to go roll
uncle.
out.
Love the look.
Red carpet have to go roll out. Yeah.
Be a video.
Yeah, run out for them.
Be a video. Michi, Michi, Michi.
Here's somebody, boy. You know, I'm buying the food, yeah? Eh? Am I reverse?
You remember this man, you know? No?
Oh,
When you come back to Jamaica, you're in the ghetto.
Alright.
So much in the ghetto. You can't, me alone get there. I'm an odd girl live there. And me alone live there.
Derrick, can you hear me now? Yeah, Derrick, what you say?
Derrick has said, somebody has said when he come back, he might go back in a guest house.
Oh.
Yeah, that them a talk about. But Derrick no say that them a go around.
Them not give him no break though.
You not gonna get no break. I say my CEO a park and one bag of something.
But you know what is funny? You know what is funny? A lot of the people them we talk about Derrick, them not live nowhere near there, and people see a thing catch, you know.
Thank God.